Yesterday I made a video about Bitcoin and the crypto market and how it was down 8% since last week. And I told people, whoever was watching, I don't really have that many viewers, I don't have that many subscribers. By the way, if you see this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Anyways, if you go back and watch my last video from yesterday, Bitcoin was at 112. And I explained in that video why you should be taking advantage of that. Now, you look at the price, 116, almost $117,000. This is on TradingView. Now, you look at ETH, see that price? Crazy. Solana is almost $200. So, yesterday I told people, take advantage of the dips. This is your moment. Do not panic. Do not sell. Especially if you're losing, just huddle. Just hold what you have and buy more. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I've also explained that, but I was just giving people what I'm going to do, what I was doing. This is the time you buy. This was a discount. This was a gift from God that you should be buying. Because if you're not taking advantage of this drop, of this pullback, you're basically losing. You shouldn't be hesitating. This is how the market works. You need to keep cash on the side, 20 to 30%. So when it dips, when there's a pullback, when there's a correction, even if it's a small percent, 8%, 10%, you never know. It could be 20%, which I don't really see that happening. That's when you buy. That's how you're going to make money. Anyways, but Bitcoin is 116 now, almost 117, and it's going to probably go up to 120 again. It might drop back. People take profits. There might be a pullback again. Usually happens every year. It happened in 2023 and 2024 after that press conference in Jackson Hole. So this normally it can happen. There's the last 2 years there was a pullback. There was a drop of the price. Hopefully, if this happens, you know what to do now. You buy. You take advantage of it. But if you want to take profit now, why not? If you did buy early, if you bought it when it was down, and you want to sell now, why not take profit? You know. But if it's going to drop, if it's not, I think we're heading to 135 to 150 by the end of the year, and I'm calling it now. That's my story. That's my statement, and I'm sticking to it. I think it's going to hit 150, all-time high, by the end of December. There might be a cut rate in September 16th, 17th. So that's going to help Bitcoin and crypto market a lot. People are not as afraid to put their money in the crypto market, because if there's no cut rates, people are afraid. They don't want to lose their money in the crypto market, especially when Bitcoin and the rest of crypto, I don't really consider it as a crypto Bitcoin, but the crypto market is volatile, so they don't want to risk it if there's an inflation. Because they're afraid if there's an inflation, people will sell and they'll lose their money. So that's what happens. But now we have positive news of what Jerome Powell came with today. This led to, crypto market shoot to the moon. And I think it's going to keep going up. This is the time. How are you making money? You need to study. You need to learn. Till the end of the year, I think we're going to hit all-time high. I think Bitcoin is going to hit all-time high. Ethereum, Solana, these will hit all-time high. So take advantage of it. I think this is your time. 2026 also. I think winter, like usually we get winter time, like there's a pullback, and I don't see that happening anymore. I don't see it, like Michael Saylor said, there's winter time is gone, like there's no winter time anymore. I think 2025, this quarter 4, and 2026, this is gonna get crazy. A lot of people are gonna make so much money, so much profit. I'm hoping to be one of them. I know I'm gonna be one of them. You should be one of them. But just keep some cash on the side. Invest. If it pulls back, buy more. If it keeps going up, I hate to say it, but I told you so. I told you so yesterday. I did say it. I said it yesterday. If you go back and watch my video, Bitcoin was 112. And I said, this is your time. I'm not panicking. And I was losing money. I was like, I wish it could drop even further to 100k, to even below that. And people think I'm crazy. Why would you think that? Because I want to buy more. I don't want BlackRock to take. This is what they're doing. They're manipulating the market, so people will sell at cheaper price so they can buy it. This is what BlackRock doing. But you, as an individual, us as people, I want you to have Bitcoin. I want you to be in control of it. Don't let BlackRock take all of it. Because once they control the market, then we're fucked. We're absolutely fucked. All these institutions, they will control the market. They will manipulate it. That's what they're doing. They make the market drop. They do the pullbacks. They spread bad news through the media. So people would be afraid. People will panic and sell. And that's when they come in and buy billions. Nation states, they buy billions worth of Bitcoin. But they don't announce it. They never announce it. They just keep quiet. They don't tell anybody. They just keep buying. And in a couple of years' time, mark my words. Mark my fucking words. By 2028, 2030, there will be not much Bitcoin going around on exchanges. And the price will skyrocket. So either you take advantage, even now, like Bitcoin is not expensive. Bitcoin is still cheap. This is still cheap. Wait till you see it in a few years' time. You look back and you're like, why didn't I buy it at 112? Why did I sell it at 112? Why did I not buy it at 116, 17, 120? It's still cheap. When it's $1 million, what's the difference between 100k and 120k? If you bought it at that price, there's no difference. It's still $1 million. You still made so much profit from it. When it's 5 million, when it's 10 million in a few years' time, you still does it really matter what price you bought it? If you bought it at 100k or 120, it doesn't really matter. Who cares? I'm just giving you the truth. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to, you do what you have to do. I'm not giving you any. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm an educator. I try to educate people. I'm studying it. I'm learning. I'm reading books, listening to podcasts, and I'm trying to wake people up. That's what I'm doing. Just literally trying to wake people up, because fiat is going down. It's worthless. It's becoming worthless. The value of it. There's no, what can you buy with $50 now? $100. What can you buy with it? 10 years ago, yeah, it had a value. You can buy a lot of stuff. You can buy a lot of food with $100, $50. Now you can't really buy much. But you look at Bitcoin price, it went up, straight up the line. Yes, it's volatile. Yes, I know. It pulls back, it does pull back and then goes back up again. And we started from $0 to $100 to $1,000, 50, 60, 70, now 120. Like, just do your own research, educate yourself, learn about it. That's all I'm asking you to do. And if you have money on the side, you know what to do. You're smart enough. Don't let these institutions, these BlackRock, all these, I don't want to say much about them, but if you don't know, you should know about them. They're gonna control the market. They will buy everything, and they will control the market. Nation states, they're buying bitcoins, but they don't want to announce it. If they do, because the price will skyrocket. The price will be 500k. It will be $1 million if they do announce it. Oh yeah, we're buying. Everyone's going to be buying it. No one is going to be selling it. There will be more demand than people selling, so the price will increase. And they don't want that. They just want to purchase it and keep it. They don't want to announce it. So be smart like them. Buy the dips. It's still cheap at this price, 116k. This is cheap. It's still cheap. Trust me on that. And from now, we're in August 22nd till the end of the year. You watch where Bitcoin is heading. You watch where it's heading. You'll see. And I hope you're watching this video. And in a few months' time, when I'm uploading, I'll put this video and I'll link it down below. In 3 months, I'll tell you, I hate to say it, but I told you so. At 116k, this is cheap. You should be buying. But you do what you do. You do what you have to do. I just trying to educate you. I'm trying to, advise people the best I can. That's the best thing I can do. Just try to explain it to people and that why they should be taking advantage of it. But yeah, let's see what the weekend. Today's Friday. Let's see what's going to happen over the weekend. And I'll be posting another video tomorrow. See you tomorrow.